We are going to hike up these stairs to get to the scariest, creepiest part of this place. This, what is it called again?
It's Fort Stevens State Park. This is the Battery Russell. So it was old from 1904 to 1944. Was
Military.
Yeah, like a bunker.
Like
so
a bunker.
It was to help protect the Pacific coast
from the whoever, Germans, whoever.
I think it was
This-
Japan.
Okay.
Yep.
I hate to just give you 43 seconds, but I don't want to climb this whole... Well, we'll climb a little bit. Give them a minute. I don't want to... I'm going to have to just keep it on. Because that's just... I don't know how to splice them together. This is what it looks like coming up over the edge. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I hear Tinkerbell. Oh my gosh. I gotta get a view of this. Look at that. We're gonna go exploring this. I think I'm gonna start on the lower level. Look at this. Huh?
Lower level is the creepy part.
Wow. So this is where the officers and everyone lived?
Yeah, and then there's more down this way too. There's a whole other section.
Let's see. Wow. Oh, this looks like it was a shower room.
I have a lot of them.
It has a drain right there.
Yeah.
I think this was a shower room.
Well, like I think this might have been the actual like defense one.
But look, there's a shower room.
Oh
There's a
yeah.
shower.
I
I think this is...
up on the top is where the guns were.
Wow. Look at those spider webs.
There's huge.
Look at that.
Circle things up there
Look at that.
where they have the gun.
Look at that. Yeah, they have a lot of... Wow. They're all along the ceiling. Stuff too. Look at that. Wow. We don't want to use up all our video for that. Look at these deep set windows. And look how thick it is in between.
Withstand bombs.
Really? Oh, they had a fireplace in here. This must have been the relaxing officer's room. Look at this. You just think there's people that lived in here. Look at that. Look at that fireplace. Oh, it's kind of got a creepy vibe in here. Quiet, please, birds. Look at that. Now look at how they made that cement. Look at all those rocks. This was made in the early 1900s. Look at that. See those big rocks in there? What's this?
Yeah. So you can actually go in here, and then you can walk down inside.
Oh, I want to do that. Oh, look at this. This looks like a room here, huh?
Yeah. I think, I thought there was a spot to go under, it might be over here. But there was a really creepy spot.
I had a weird vibe in that one with the fireplace.
So there was like these weird, I mean, it hadn't been for something. Oh, there's a nest in here.
A what?
There's a nest.
This says, it says storeroom. Nellie, did you see that?
Is that what it
It
says?
says storeroom.
Look, there's a little nest right here. That's the like little squirrel.
Uh-huh.
There's little things in there. Little babies. No?
This was a storeroom.
Just smell that must.
Yeah.
Musty, and then look at all these rusted.
Uh-huh, all the beams.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
Is there anything in there?
Feathers.
Yeah. I don't see.
I don't see anything.
They've blown the food.
Look at all the mold.
Yeah.
Oh, look at like the big closet down there. I bet they had bunks in here
Probably.
at one time. Sure that was a bunk room.
And then like a water area, like some of these things are just, it's so interesting.
That's where they peed. That was a urinal, maybe. Oh, what are these hooks for? The big hooks.
I don't know. That's where they tortured people.
Look at that. Look at those stairs. We're going to go up those in a minute. Till we get the rest of this downstairs.
Area.
I want to look in here.
This it says well room. I don't know. Oh,
This is oh, what does this say? This is another storeroom.
yeah. Over here. It's creepy.
Oh, wow.
Part. Yeah. Creepy part.
Oh, look at this. They had shelves.
Yeah.
Looks like they had shelves in there. Oh, it's really dark back there. Listen to the echo. Ow! Ooh!
Are those bats?
Ooh! I think it's birds.
I hope it's birds.
Look at this.
This is well room, right? Or hell room.
What does that say? Shell room. This is where they kept the ammunition. This is where they kept the ammunition. Oh, look at the window. Goes through.
I believe was. This might have been where they had the.
Look at those windows. Wow. Whoa! Hear that? Oh, look, they had things that ran on tracks or something. Oh. Oh, what is this? Oh, that's paint. I thought maybe something was written in blood, but it's not. Oh my gosh. Oh, I just got a chill in here. Oh my gosh. That's kind of creepy in here. I just got shivers really big time. And it really isn't cold in here. Ooh. I just got shivers back there big time. What's this room, I wonder? A what?
See him?
Where?
Go this way. Go this way.
Oh.
Towards me. Do you see
Where?
him?
No?
Over towards me.
Oh, I see him.
Yeah.
I don't know, but... Okay. Like he had something that ran on tracks. Look, there used to be a wall, and there's a wall here. Tore it down. Oh, I wonder what this was. Natalie, did you see this?
Yeah.
I wonder what that was. I don't have the creeps over here, but in that shell room, I got some creepy feeling there. Got shivers and everything. There's no spider webs in here. This must have been That's the writing. Looks like they come in and paint and cover them up every now and then. Hurry, they're coming. Did you see that? Hurry, they're coming. Well, I would have felt really creeped out in the other room, but I don't feel creeped out in this room. That other room creeped me out. Oh, right here though. I just got a cold spot. I don't know. Wonder what all these are hanging down. Wonder if they were lights. I bet they were light things or something. Well, we've only got 15 minutes left on here, so we better get the upstairs. Oh wow, that's kind of creepy. Look at that. Oh, I'm getting those shivers again. I want to go up those stairs up here. I want to go up the inside stairs right here.
Can we go to the top?
Yeah. I got 15 minutes left. Oh man, these are high stairs, each step. It's a big, tall step. Ah. Wow. Look at this. I turned my light off. Ah. Oh wow. Oh wow, I wonder what was in here. Was this a missile? What'd they have in here? I don't think it was a big fire pit. Oh, look at that big metal ring thing. Look at this. Oh, these are the ports for them to put their guns through and shoot. That's what it looks like, maybe. Look at that. I wonder what was chained to that. Wow. And they have these littler ones that are broken. Wow. Oh, there's another big one over there. Let me see. See? There's another one. Let's see what's inside here. I guess all these trees weren't here back then. Oh, I want to go up those stairs over there. Let me see, we don't have much time left. There we go. Oh, that goes up. Look over here. Okay, we're gonna go up these stairs and go up to the 3rd floor. Oh wow. Check this out. Oh, they would shoot stuff from in here. Oh wow. Look at that. That's the view from the gun ports. They must have had cannons on here, or big machine guns. See, look at this. This is looking out the ports. Oh wow. I want to go out and walk around the top before we run out of time. Oh wow, look at this.